going on, guys? It's Lexi here, back with another vlog. I'm with my cousins today, and we are going to be making slime.
I'm gonna put this borax over here real quick. Okay.
My cousin Ryan is stirring borax and hot water. Well, warm water.
Hot water.
It's supposed to be
hot water. It's hot water.
You know. Hot water.
Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add in our glue.
Yes.
And then we have some food coloring. It's the gel kind.
Nobody can open the glue. We're gonna have to delete this video. I'm gonna be making some neon purple slime.
So now
It's time to make slime.
yes, it is. So
How much are we making?
as much as you want.
Let's
just-
make giant slime. Just don't pour the entire jug in there.
Let's not use our whole gallon of glue, please.
Yeah.
I'd say that's about half a bottle.
Pass it around.
Yeah.
Later across.
Pause. Here I go. Ryan's
I
turn.
added 3 tablespoons of water. It looks watery, but it's not. Because that water is going to come in handy.
Should I add more water? Should I add a little bit of water?
Add like 2.
I'm adding a little bit of water right now.
Okay, I'm going to be making pink slime. So I'm going to add in. Give it a nice little
Whirl.
I'm gonna do all the colors.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna look.
Now I
horrible.
can't open this.
I added a tiny bit of water.
Look, I have 3 eyes. Smile.
Just make sure you all mix in the food coloring
Really well.
to where there's not
That
any
looks cool. Look at this.
Oh,
rainbow.
OMG.
I might
look
have
at
to start over.
It looks like vomit.
I'm gonna start over now instead of waiting, or should I just go for it?
Mine looks like vomit.
Go for it, Elena. Don't restart.
I kind of don't want to add water.
Look at that.
Because, Lexi, you added a good amount.
Look at this.
Okay, I think I'll...
Ew!
It looks like peanut butter.
No, it doesn't.
It's like diarrhea.
It's hard. I mean, hard.
So I just wait until it's not sticky at all.
Mine slime's coming together.
Not really.
Yours is really pink. That's pretty.
Mine's really gross.
Mine's still sticky.
Mine's not sticky at all.
Oh!
Ryan, you're getting it everywhere.
You're making a mess.
2 hours later.
So this is my slime.
Elena's slime is perfect. Mine is okay.
Yours is good, Lexi. Here, can I play with yours?
It's really jiggly.
Can I play with yours for a second?
Ew, Ryan's is fake dog poop.
Yes.
Okay, so me and Ryan just finished with our batch of slime, our second batch. And,
I'm
well,
making a
This could be
jumbo.
fake poop.
oh my gosh. Elena is still doing hers because she made
I'm
a
making
giant
a
slime.
jumbo slime. It's bigger than theirs.
It's bigger than me.
It's not that big. I need
But look, that's Elena. She's still making her slime because it's really big. Ryan made pink bubblegum slime, and I made the official, original green lime slime. Lime slime. Lime slime. I made lime slime. So me, Elena, and Ryan just got done making slime. Well, Elena is busy eating honey Cheerios, or honey nut Cheerios, whatever they're called.
and drinking
I'm
orange.
cranberry sauce.
We're at the homemade pie kitchen getting some ice cream right now. I'm getting the monster cookie. What are you getting, Elena?
I don't know if I'm gonna get it.
Oh, you're not getting anything. Well then. Are you recording? Yeah. I'm recording.
I'm not gonna play the song yet because copyright.
Copyright issues.
Hello.
So we just left the ice cream place. The homemade pie kitchen. Look at that face of disappointment. Oh my god. Ryan, you were disgusting. Don't do.
Lexi, you might want to stop recording because copyright.
I'm gonna get copyrighted and I don't care. I'm not taking my hand off of my shirt. Just keep dabbing, Elena. Just keep dabbing.